Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning into another video. So today we are discussing the Allure Mega Mystery Bundle. So I signed up for a 12-month subscription, and with that you get a 12-piece mystery bundle, and man, this thing arrived fast. Like, I was just told it was shipping out of the warehouse. It's hefty, it arrived quick, and I kind of peeked and it's good. It is really, really good. So along with getting this 12-piece mystery bundle, I was also eligible to get 2 gifts. One of them did arrive, another one is being shipped to me. I called Allure, and within 5 minutes they said, yep, you're right, you were supposed to get an extra serum as a new member gift, and that's being shipped out, so I'll get that in a couple weeks. But I did get this Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. Now, I know this highlighter has been around for a while. I know a lot of people have already gotten it, but I'm using it as eyeshadow, and I kind of like it. I have really deep set eyes and I'm pale, so it kind of brings my eyes forward and it gives me, you know, another dimension. So, I mean, I like it. It's holographic. But all right, onto this bad boy. Here's like a little peek. I mean, it's good. This is really good. So the first thing that we're pulling out, piece number 1, is by Gorjana. I mean, this is a really nice little jewelry line. I saw it all over in New York. Let's see what we get in here. All right. Just for you, find a necklace. Oh, it's a choker. Oh my God, that's cute. You get this little choker over here. I think that's going to be adorable. I haven't worn chokers in such a long time. I think probably since high school. So we will see how this looks on me, but it's pretty cute. And it's a nice brand, so thank you, Allure. I'm happy for that. All right, the next item we're pulling out is from Urban Decay. It's the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Ooh, okay. It's very nice. You see that? You see the point? It's just a regular eye pencil. It's in black. Okay. It's cute. It's not a full size or anything, but if you're traveling, this is pretty great. It's a decent size. Ooh, okay. We got the Cabral by Benefit. All right, so this is the mini size. I think here you get a nice little brush. It's very tiny. It's like a pomade almost, from what I remember. I got this once. But you see that? You can make like nice little strokes with it. Sorry, I put too much on, but it does brush out. It seems to be more in like a medium brown shade. I don't know if it tells me what the shade is on here. It just says 3, so I don't know if that's the shade, but it seems to be a nice medium brown. Like I said, it looks like this. It's small, but this will definitely, you know, get the job done, and you can try it out. So I'm not even mad at receiving this. I'm very excited for this. This is the Laura Mercer Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Okay. I mean, this is pretty fancy, so I'm excited to get this. And it's a really good size. I don't think this is the full size by any means, but you know, it's just the color is translucent, so it's just going to be a loose setting powder. But okay, I actually don't wear foundation, but I do wear tinted SPF, and sometimes, you know, I just get like oily, and I do like to set it, so that will come in handy. This is by Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Lip Fuller Lip Liner. It's in the color khaki. Okay, so this is khaki. Wow, khaki is definitely very brown. You know, it's very nice. You can kind of, it retracts as well, this lip liner, so you can use it as you will. I like products like that. I don't know if I'm going to find too much use for this product because I don't wear too much of a brown shade, but we'll see. We'll see how this ultimately looks on me and whether this works. But it's cool to get a Thrive Cosmetics product. That, you know, they are a nice line. So yeah, very excited. Product 5. All right, product 6. This is the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia. I mean, this is an oldie but goodie. This stuff is so good. I used to use this religiously, and I do like it. It does kind of nicely form the brows, so I'm very excited to get that. And that was product 6. Product 7. We're getting the Tarte Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. Okay. And it's in the black shade, as most mascaras normally are. So let's see. Oh, Gifted. Okay, so that's the name of this mascara, Tarte Gifted. Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So I'm not gonna open this because then it just starts to dry out the mascara. But okay, very cool packaging. Item 7. You know, who can't use black mascara? Although I feel like I'm getting mascaras nonstop in these sub boxes. All right, product 8. This is by the Nuco. It's Tropical C. Okay, so this potent powder vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid stabilizes and increases absorption, while colloidal oatmeal and aloe vera soothe the skin. Wow, this looks like this is going to be a great product. You're supposed to blend this into your moisturizer, serum, or with water. Look at that. It's just a nice little powder. You know what? Luckily, I had gotten a little spoon when The Ordinary was having its sale, and I can use that with this. You know, I'm kind of excited to try this product. Now, The Ordinary also has this powdered vitamin C that hasn't really gained a whole lot of, you know, positive reviews, but some people swear by it and like it. So I'm totally cool to try this out. All right, product number 9. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I feel like I've seen this product quite a bit in sub boxes. It just seems to make it in the rotation. But okay, I'm happy to try this out. It's 50 milliliters, 1.7 fluid ounces. I'll give it a go. Product 9. Product 10. Oh, this is a tiny little one. This is the famous black soap. It's the Erno Laszlo product. So I got this in my FabFitFun box in my annual subscription that I showed you guys. I got a much bigger size of this. This is like the little baby trial size, but I'm happy to get it. You know, I haven't tried the other one, so now I can kind of try the smaller size and see if I like it. And if I don't like it, then I can gift the bigger size. So I'm not mad at this. And that was product 10. Now on to product 11. This is Tarte. This is Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the color Cruisin'. Oh, this is going to match that lip pencil, I think. So, okay. Allure, this is pretty cool. Let's see. Wow, look at that shade. Oh, maybe not. This is not going to match that lipstick, but look at that. It's a very pretty berry shade. It goes on pretty satiny. I love the way this lipstick is formed because it'll nicely, you know, glide onto the lips. So that's pretty cool. And it's definitely not a drying formula, so I like that. Nice berry color. Thank you, Allure. And our last product is by Perlice, and it's the Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. It's 100 milliliters. I'm guessing this must be the full size. Okay, I've heard great things about this product, so I am definitely stoked to try this out. My sister gave me one of these as a gift. But okay, I'm happy to get another one. I mean, if I don't like this one, then I could gift the other one that I got. So we'll see. So guys, these were our 12 products, and I actually think this Mega Mystery Bundle was actually pretty good. Allure does kind of give you a sneak peek of the items. So I know that they showed the Erno Laszlo bar, they showed this Perlice cleanser, the Tarte Gifted mascara was shown on the website. The Laura Mercier translucent setting powder was also shown, and the Benefit Brow Pomade was also shown on the website. So they are kind of letting you know what they're going to be sending you, and I think that's pretty cool. But there were definitely some surprise items in here that I didn't know about, and I'm definitely very happy that we got them, and now I get to try them out. So guys, I hope that you like this video. If you like videos like this, please consider hitting that like button. Please consider leaving a comment. Please consider subscribing. I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking, and it is terrifying for me to come out here, and also very encouraging when, you know, you interact with me or you leave a comment or, you know, anything that you feel comfortable sharing. I'm always happy to be a recipient of that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day planned, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.